Hello, hiya. Welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself first, because that's what we do, isn't it? We say hello first and then we introduce ourselves. My name is Colin and I'm following my path of my king. My king being God, the one and only. I call him Sep when it's just the two of us. But back to the topic. My name is Colin and I'm God's personal jester. Yeah, and I suggest to you that you like, you follow and you subscribe to this channel. Why, you ask? Well, my new task is to go around the world asking why. Why the world's like it is and why we can't have heaven on earth. Because I truly believe that God's kingdom will soon be done. Will be soon, very soon, it will come. We will have heaven on earth, because that's our right ever since birth. I mean, of course, we can choose. That's our right as well. Free choice to use our voice. And I'm going to use my voice to ask the questions. I don't know where our path will lead. And sometimes I'll be preaching, maybe I'll be teaching, and I'll definitely always be working in God's name for heaven on earth and show you the solutions. Bonny, with my dog, Bonny. So it's Bonny and me, because we have no fear. Don't worry, Bonny, and we're going to go here and there. Wherever we are, we're going to show the story. And all we're going to do is talk about God's glory. Believe us it or not, that's his plot, his plan. And this is his dog, and I am the man. Together forever, or as long as it takes. And do not mistake us for being fake. Don't forget the dark side. No, because they're part of it as well. It's a yin and it's a yang. And the two of us, we're going to go all around the world showing you the solutions, God said. What the solution? The solution to evolution. Because personally, we don't believe in revolution. We believe in evolution. And the tools, now this is the cool part. The cool part is permaculture. Permaculture is a culture of nature. Permaculture is the solution to evolution. I swear by the Lord, his almighty graciousness. How do I know this? Well, because 5 years ago, I asked him to show me the solution. I said to him, "Dear Lord, gracious be your name." I said, "Please let me be part of the solution. Please, Lord, I don't believe in revolution. Please let me be part of the solution." So he said, "Okay, go forth. Learn all about permaculture." I said, "Permaculture, Lord?" He said, "Yes, permaculture." I said, "Okay." So I went looking. I went down the rabbit hole of permaculture and I learned about permaculture in YouTube, like where we are now. The two of us, you and me, we're in YouTube, aren't we? And I found out so much. And then I said, "Lord, I've looked up permaculture. I've been down that rabbit hole." And he said, "Well, now go forth and find yourself a farm." So I went forth and I found myself a farm. As you do. I went looking and then I got lost. And then I climbed down the mountain and I found a place called Jester. Jester. And there I learned and I experienced and I got my hands dirty. I broke my back, I broke my knees. Oh, and I even lost some teeth. But you know what? I experienced the magical and the transformation of permaculture. I knew it worked from the rabbit hole, but then I tried it with my own hands and I moved mountains. Glorious be the power of the Lord. You can move your mountains without any doubt. And you don't even need to shout to change opinions. Well, anyway, The story went on like this. I followed my path. I did the math. And it got harder and harder, but easier and easier. And at the same time, I saw the succession of the grass. And I gasped. And then I realised, ooh, what did he say? Oh, what they say. If you play it ethically and if you play it right, ooh, the sun, it shines so bright on the righteous. And it shows, because the grass grows and all the colours, they turn greener. Ooh. Now anyway, not so long ago, my personal goat came to Hungary. And I always say, if you want to learn, you need to learn from the best. And I suggest, while you're going down that rabbit hole, you also look for Jeff Lorton. Because Jeff Lorton was one of the pupils of Bill Mollison. And I read, let it be said, I read that Bill once said that Jeff was the only student that really understood him. But he also said he's a crooked bastard, but what are you going to know? What are you going to do? Anyway, that's all just things I saw and read in YouTube. Anyway, so I wanted to find out for myself. So I asked the universe, I said, dear God, dear angels, please, could you make it possible for me to go to Hungary to learn from Jeff? And they said, of course you can. And off I went. Well, that is when reality started bending. Ooh! I had conversations, I learned. It's all here in YouTube, it's all documented, because as we say in permaculture, don't forget to write it down, or at least make a video. So if you don't forget it, you won't frown. Hey Bonnie, there's a car coming. I'll be right back.
Sometimes this crazy world gets carried away.
Right, I'm back. But last time I was here, Bonnie wasn't here. So Bonnie, we're now in Hungary. Bonnie, we're now in Hungary. And we're going, because we're not hungry, we've had our breakfast, and now we're going to the farm where I met Jeff. And we had our conversations and we had our classes, and I learnt, and he showed me how to see patterns. Oh, it messed me up so much. But the one most important thing Jeff said, he said, take that step into Wonderland. Oh, and hold God's hand in Wonderland. Hey, he didn't say God, he said Allah, but all the names be the same. Oh yes, all the names be the same. Almighty Jah is the one. Elohim, or Ibrahim, everything, Habibi, they're all my friends. Every single one of them, even if it's Shiva or a diva. Because God, let's be honest, can be a diva. He likes to be. Don't you, God? You like it when I say to thee that I am your servant, your humble servant. Anyway, back to the story. And it's the truth. Sometimes you don't need proof, you just know. But anyway, the truth, it always shows. If you go looking deep enough. So yeah, now life got hard, life got tough because I came back from Hungary, went back to Switzerland. I'm not looking back in anger. Oh no, I'm not. I'm just explaining to you where we are so that you know from now on where we started. So I went back to Switzerland and said, oh, the head designer. Ooh, I said the head designer. Ooh, yes, I said the head designer, Jeff Lorton. Ooh, and the holy pirate, who maybe I'll be interested in, who's very interested. I love the holy pirate. Oh, I can love it. Oh, he's so strong. Oh, anyway, I said to my wife, she's still my wife. I said to my wife, wife, I'm allowed to play with the big boys. So they said. And she said, no, get that shit out of your head. I said, you what? She said, you've lost the plot. I said, you what? She said, yes, you've lost the plot. She said, oh, and I lost my head. Oh, I got angry. Oh, I got mad. Oh, I got sad. But now, looking back, I am glad, because it all happened for a reason. She was committing treason. Ooh, and now it's a winter season.
Deep down I feel it's gonna all be okay. Can't say where we're going or what's up ahead, but we can wonder about the future or just make it up instead.
Where were we in the story? Oh yeah, we're talking about treason and the season. The seasons were changing. It was going from autumn to winter, and I was left alone. Ha! Oh, on my mountain, all alone. Oh, poor me, do you see? No, that's not really what happened. I'm never alone, because I found God. I knew he was there all along, but I started to trust into myself and trust in him. And then I let go, and I said, you know what? I'm going to show what I can do all by myself. And I started to grow in health and posture. And if my words, I learned to formulate, I learned to rhyme, and now at this time, I had to leave. What a shame, but you know what? There's no one to blame. No, because it's all part of God's plan. And then, right, we're coming to the end now. And now, I left just recently. After becoming, like I said, which happened a couple of days ago, not just in my head, it's official, it's in Facebook, I put it out loud, and I can say proud, I am God's only Jester. Blessed be the Lord, blessed be his name, may kingdom come down to earth, and give us our peace that we've deserved since birth. I'm rehearsing every day, and may I get stronger. May together we bring down your kingdom and free your children. Because the children don't need to die. The children should not cry. All we need to do is try and stop all the lies. The one and only court jester, because there's only one king and he only needs one jester, but together we will sing. Praise to the Lord, the jester's born. Sorry. Anyway, so one thing led to the other, and now you, my sister and my brother, my father and my mother, I am here in the beautiful country of Hungary. And for my first mission, I'm going to go to where it all started. Well, kind of. It started in Switzerland. Oh, born in England. But you know what I'm trying to say. I'm going back to the Permaculture Institute of Hungary. And we'll see, because I'm going to talk to the Holy Parrot. Bonny! Bonny! She's happy. Look at that.
Here's something made up, it's powerful stuff, and it needs a fun word, so let's call it fluff.
Oh, she's so fast. You missed that. I missed it. Anyway, she's loving it. She's loving it. She loves being out in the countryside, just like me. We're not really made for the city. Although urban permaculture is not to be discarded, because it is regarded as permaculture wherever you are. But me, I'm a country boy. I love the nature. Ooh, I love the nature. Anyway, because it's the only system that will ever work. But that we'll find out later on. So, please do like, do subscribe, and please do not forget to follow. I used to talk in German, but now it will only be in English, so that everybody of every level and every race has a chance to understand. Because what I'm talking is for everybody. Kingdom come for the devils and the angels, for the demons and the good and the bad, and you know what? Everyone in between. Me, I'm just Colin, and I'm a jester. I'm not good, I'm not bad, I'm not an angel, and I'm not a demon. I'm just me, and I am free. You know what though? I've got no money. But the universe said that doesn't matter, they will take care. So, Watch out, everyone. It's time to beware. Because if you're not wearing your underwear, it's time to wear some. Because just for fun, I'm coming to prove that permaculture is the solution. I'm coming to help heaven the transition. My mission is the transition from what we have now to heaven on earth. May the Lord be respected and may his kingdom come with evolution over revolution. Heaven on earth is my goal. Oh, heaven on earth is the goal. The kingdom will come. Otherwise, I'm not yet done. So let's go and have some fun together, you and me. Let's go see what the world and what the world can be. And where we see it's quite dark, we'll bring in the light and find out why. That's the question. Why is it not yet done? And why are we not having fun? And we're doing it for the children because the killing has to stop. Yes, it has to stop. We don't want all this unnatural killing. We're born and then we die, but in between we try to express ourselves to the best of our health. So that's what we're gonna do. Me and you. Right? Alright, so long, farewell, and thank you for tuning in. Like I said, I'll see you soon, somewhere over the moon. Because all we are is a dog and a jester. So I suggest to you that you subscribe and like. Because it just might be that together we will be free. Bonny. Lots and lots of love to every one of you. Bye bye. Thank you for coming. Ooh. And don't forget, if you get up in the morning and be the best version of you, whatever you do, you're going to make the world a better place. It's called the butterfly effect. Yeah, bunny, bona, bunny, bona, birita.